Teammates, and welcome to your mid-lesson answer check to see how you're doing. So by now you've answered 1A through 3B, and we're going to go over the answers. 1A, which of the following best paraphrases the passage above? Short passage, could have read it pretty quickly. Right away, we know the answer is not A, because A is taken directly from the text. It's not paraphrasing if it's someone's exact words, right? So this is not paraphrasing, it would be plagiarism. In fact, A is not the answer. C is also not the right answer. You can tell that right away because this passage obviously talks about other stuff. It's not asking a question just about what the largest organ in your body is. So right there you can say that C is wrong. That means B is your right answer. We also just answered C. Why is it wrong? Right? Like option C is wrong because it does not address everything in the passage, right? So like option C is obviously wrong just because it doesn't mention everything. So what about this one? 2A. Which of the following best paraphrases the passage above? Well, A, the skin that you see when you look at someone is actually dead skin. Ew. That's true, but this is obvious. Again, if you read this passage, it talks about other stuff, right? This is important, but this probably isn't the best way to paraphrase it, so I'm going to say it's not A. Our skin is made up of layers. The top layer is the epidermis. It has new and old cells. I like C, so I'm not gonna say that one's wrong or right just yet. Now I look at D. When the cells are ready, they start moving toward the top of your epidermis as newer cells continue. Wait, this looks familiar. Oh. Again, it's taken directly from the passage. Option D is not paraphrased because it's copy and pasted, right? It's not putting things into your own words. Option D is not correct. Option A is not correct because it doesn't talk about it enough. So now we're left to B and C. And again, we said C sounded pretty good, so let's look at B. Your skin is made up of one layer, and we shed our skin, replacing old skin with new skin. Whoa. But we know that the skin is made up of multiple layers. It says in the first line, your skin is made up of 3 layers. So A is too short, doesn't talk about enough. B is wrong. D isn't a paraphrasing, it's plagiarized. So the answer is C. And then answer 2B, defend your answer. Which one's best? C is the best answer because it is the only one that paraphrases everything that's talked about in this passage. It's also not plagiarized like D. All right, and now for 3A, which of the following best paraphrases the passage above? This is a little bit of a meatier passage. Let me look at A. Old skin cells flake off us all the time, but the epidermis makes lots of new cells. Melanin is the dead skin on your outer layer. Whoa. But we know this isn't right? Melanin isn't the dead skin. It says here, right, what melanin is. Melanin gives skin its color. So it's not dead skin, so A is not right. What about C? Your epidermis has cells that make new skin cells and cells that make melanin. Melanin is what makes your skin dark, and the more of it you have, the more protected you are against the sun's ultraviolet rays. I like that, but just to be sure, let me look at B. Your epidermis has 2 kinds of cells, ones that make new skin cells and ones that make melanin. Melanin gives skin its color. The darker your skin is, the more melanin you have. So far, this is true. When you go out into the sun, these cells make extra melanin to protect you from getting, hey, wait a second. That's right, teammates. Again, copied and pasted. This isn't paraphrased. So, this is plagiarized, not paraphrased. This one is just wrong. That means C is your correct answer. 3B, defend your answer. Why is it the best one? C is the best answer because it paraphrases everything in the passage above, doesn't plagiarize, and is correct. Okay, so hopefully you have the idea. Good luck. You have the rest of the passage to complete. 4 and 5, and when you're done, I have another video for you. Keep going. You're doing great.